Hey everyone! Today, I'm thrilled to show you how to create stunningly realistic hair using an amazing AI tool. And the best part, it's absolutely free. Let's dive. To get started, open up your Chrome browser. Next, type Adobe Firefly into the search bar and hit enter. Now, click on the first link that appears to visit Adobe Firefly. Once you're on the Adobe Firefly page, select the first option, Create with Firefly. Now, let's upload an image by clicking on the Upload button. Select the image file you'd like to use. Using the eraser tool, carefully remove any unwanted parts of the hair. Now, describe the type of hair you'd like to generate. For example, I'll type men's hair. Once you've described the image, click on the Generate button to let the AI work its magic. Let's give it a minute to process. Now, check out the result. If you're not satisfied with the first result, you can explore more options by clicking on More Results. Once you find the perfect image, click on Keep and then hit the Download button to save it to your device. Wait a minute. Finally, download image. Open Download image. Check quality of image.
And there you have it. You've successfully created realistic hair using the power of AI, all for free. Don't forget to check the quality of your image and experiment with different styles. Thanks for watching.